Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will be recreating the following logo, Consejo Superior de Cámaras. Let's jump right into Illustrator. On the left hand side you are seeing the original one. On the right hand side you are watching the recreation. And let's go ahead and get started. Go to File, New, create a new document. I like to use Letter Landscape. If you want to place your original logo, go to File, Place, and then place it. You can place it as a template, but I'm gonna rescale it. So click S, click Enter. I'm scaling it to 100%. Go ahead and click OK. And rename this layer Original Logo. Create a new layer on top of that one. And we are going to get started. So using my line segment tool, I'm going to make a line straight down, roughly the same size as my original logo. I'm going to give this a stroke of 21. Now I'm going to select my line, click the letter R to activate the rotation, click Enter, and I'm going to rotate it 60 degrees and click Copy. Hit Ctrl D to duplicate that action, and we have this star looking object. I'm going to go to Object Expand, and I'm going to change the color. When I first made this logo, I kept getting uneven portions, and what you have to do actually is manually adjust the diagonal lines. So just go up a few times and then go to the right a few times. For the other one, just go down a few times and then adjust it as much as possible. Now I have the inside of my shape or my logo. I'm going to give each of these a stroke of a 21, and I'm going to set the stroke to the outside. I'm going to change the stroke color. Now I'm going to select all, go to Object, Expand Appearance, and using my direct selection tool, I'm going to get rid of some stuff. Holding Alt, I'm going to get rid of all of these. And if we look at the original logo, we gotta get rid of some more stuff. And it looks like that is it. Go to your Pathfinder, go to Unite, change the color, and we are finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, tell a friend, share. If you have any logos that I can recreate, comment down below. As always, I hope you learned something new. Until next time, have a wonderful day.